to get the greatest benefits from this group process, please sit in a comfortable place with the sound muted on your phone. That's really important. Pick up your phone right now, mute the sound. If you have a sound that comes from your tablet or your laptop or whatever, please turn that off temporarily. And also, and this is so hard for people, make sure the screens of whatever, especially your phone, are facing down. They're facing away from you, any which way where you can't see them. That's the important part. So while you're taking care of that, I would just like you to know that all of the clearings we're going to be doing today are egoic energies, which means that they're part of your identity, just like I was talking about before. And they're the ones that are the most applicable to the persons on this call or who are going to be listening to the replay of the call. And the way I know this is I connected to Source, obviously who knows who's going to be listening, and this is the feedback that I received. This is the exact wording that I received, the exact issues that I received from Source, that the people listening to this call at whatever time that would be most helpful to most of them. So I use a quantum-based physics modality of energy healing, and when you use one of those modalities, you must observe either by feeling the energy or seeing the energy move, either in or out, or the energy shift won't work. And trust me, I thought, oh yeah, right, sure. I've tried it, and you know what? It's true. If I don't do that, the energy shift doesn't get made. So that's why after you give me your permission to make these energy shifts, there's going to be a silence while I watch that energy moving. So please say yes when I ask for your permission. Please say it out loud. It can be softly, but it should be out loud. And hopefully you're all ready right now. So let's get started with the first one.
Okay.
Anything that supports the egoic energies, I hate having to change what I believe. And anything else related to this, known and unknown. Anywhere and everywhere these energies exist, release them now. Please say yes if I have your permission to do this.
Yeah.
And give me a few moments. It is commanded that anything that supports the egoic energies, I'm afraid of making the choices that I'd need to make to change my life, and anything else related to this, known and unknown. Anywhere and everywhere these energies exist, release them now. Please give me your permission and give me a few moments. Anything that supports the egoic energies, I'm afraid to change how I think, and anything else related to this, known and unknown. Anywhere and everywhere these energies exist, release them now. Please say yes and give me a moment to do that. It is commanded that anything that supports the egoic energies, it's not safe to do what I'd need to do to change how I think. And anything else related to this, known and unknown, anywhere and everywhere these energies exist, release them now. Please say yes. Give me a chance to do that. And it is commanded that anything that supports the egoic energies, I hate having to make the changes I'd need to make to change my life. And anything else related to this, known and unknown, anywhere and everywhere these energies exist, release them now. Please say yes. And Aram, I know we said we were only going to do the first 5, but you know what? I think this last one is important, and I hope you don't mind. It is commanded that anything that supports the egoic energies, it's not safe to change my life. And this is important. A lot of people don't feel safe with change. They feel it's dangerous. That's why I wanted to include this. So it's commanded that anything that supports the egoic energies, it's not safe to change my life. And anything else related to this, known and unknown, Anywhere and everywhere these energies exist, release them now. Please say yes and give me a chance to do that. So now I'm going to ask Source to replace the energies that were just cleared with positive and empowering energies that Source selects specifically for you. We're all different. I'm not going to download specific energies because we all need something different. So Source selects the ones for you at this time, that you need at this time. So it is commanded to download and allow energies that serve your highest and best good in the highest and best way at this time, and for this to be completed now. Please say yes and give me a few moments. This might take a little bit longer.
Yes.
Okay. And now we're going to finish up by resetting your vibration so that you can experience literally a new reality by living your life free of those energies that we just cleared, and now that you have these new positive and empowering energies that you just received. So it is commanded to activate a vibrational reset in the highest and best way for you to reflect all of the energy shifts that you've just experienced, and for this to be completed now. If I have your permission, please say yes and give me a few moments.
Yes.
Okay.